In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix poster photo not working. So if you are not seeing something like this, whenever you receive a call on your iPhone or you put a call through your iPhone, the poster photo is not coming up. This video is going to help you through. So in this video, you get to know how you can easily fix the poster photo not working on your iPhone. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you want to fix poster photo not working on your iPhone is open the contact application on your iPhone. Yes, and if the contact application is missing or you couldn't find it here, you can use the spotlight search to search for the contact app on your iPhone. Then open that. Now click on any of the contact lists. It could be all contacts, Gmail or iPhone, doesn't matter. It works on all contact lists on your iPhone. Now once you click on that, click on my card. Then once you tap my card, you should see I have this. And I have my contact photo and poster like this. And this is my contact photo. You see that? And then this is my poster photo. However, if this is not working on your iPhone, all you need to do is this. While on this page under contact, click on my card, and then you want to make sure you edit this page by clicking on this profile picture, by clicking on the edit button like this, then click on edit here to edit the profile picture. Then what you want to do is you want to swipe up and delete this. So once that's deleted, you should have an empty profile picture. Now click on create new. In this case, don't go straight and choose photo. For this profile poster picture to work, go ahead and select Memoji. So wait for the Memoji to load. If you don't like Memoji, come back here and click on monogram. So click on Memoji. Then select any Memoji from this list. Select something funny or you like. So let's go with this Memoji. Then click on next. Then click on this icon here and turn off depth effect. Turn off depth effect. Now click on this icon to change the color, or you may customize or play around this monogram and click on this button to choose another one. If you're not satisfied with that, then click on done. Once you are done, this is what you're going to see as your poster photo. Then click on continue. Then you may use this as your contact photo or choose a different photo as a contact photo. In this case, I'm just going to click on continue, and you may click on the skip button to skip contact photo. There you go. Then this is what you're going to have. Then click on the done button. Then you have this. Now come to contact photo and poster. Click on that and make sure you share automatically. You see this? And enable name and photo sharing. This is important. Then click on here and make sure it's not set to always ask. So if this is set to always ask, your contact photo or poster photo might not show. Just make sure you choose contact only. And here, do not disable this. If you disable this, this is going to disable the photo, poster, and then contact photo. Then enable this. So when next you have a phone call on your iPhone, the poster photo and the contact photo, if set together, will come up. So this is how you can easily fix poster photo not working on iPhone. If this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.